In this video I will show you how to insert a green screen effect over a video. I hope this is helpful to you. Leave a like and subscribe. You will need the Pocket Video app. I've linked this in the description. Open the app, and insert your video that you want to add the green screen effect to. Now go on YouTube and find a green screen effect. You can save this by screen recording. Here is one from my last video. Go back into Pocket Video. Click the video. Then Video Sticker. Add from Camera Roll. And insert your screen recorded green screen effect. Now trim the video, so it only shows the green screen effect you want. Then press Done. Now size it to fit the video. Press Mask. And then Green Screen. Here is the completed green screen effect. Thank you for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.